Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm currently here in Vietnam. I'm having my vacation. But today I just want to shoot a video for you. So how to stop guessing when you start your Clickbank affiliate marketing running Facebook ads. So I used to just hope, okay? So I ran my emotions when I launch an ad, and when nothing happened, I'd either panic or kill my ad too early. Or worst, let it run way too long because I was emotionally attached to my favorite creative. So that all changed when I learned how to actually track my KPIs. Because when you're running Facebook ads for affiliate offers from Clickbank, Buy Goods, Digistore, or any affiliate network, you cannot afford to make a guess. Okay? No sales? Check your cost per click, CPC, CTR, and landing page click-through rate. So low order form impressions, maybe it's your landing page, not the ad. So high CTR but no conversions, maybe your ad angle might be misaligned with the product. So it's not about a feelings. It's all about your data. So you need to analyze your data, and once you understood what numbers to watch, like how much is your acceptable cost per click, how much is your acceptable CTR or CTR all. So you can stop wasting money. So you need to create your own rule. What is acceptable for you? And started scaling what actually worked. So it might just be one tweak away from working. So let me show you how I monitor my data. Okay, so first thing first, make sure that you have your tracking software so to track your sales. Here I am using ClickMagick. Now whatever tracking software that you want to use, it's all up to you. But I will just show you what I am using here. I'm using ClickMagick. So as you can see here, when I run this ad campaign with Facebook, you will see that I do not have any sale recorded here. You will see here, there is no purchased, okay, that is recorded here. But on my tracking, I've got 2 sales here, okay? So this is my revenue. And also, if you can look for an offer from Clickbank or from any affiliate network that give you an offer of CPA, meaning cost per action, then the better. So you will not suffer from any refunds. Just in my case, so you will see here that I have 2 sales generated here. This is a new account that I am testing right now. So you will see I don't have any purchase here. Okay, so I just started running campaign here. And also, if this is a new campaign, you are trying to buy some data at first, okay, for your pixel. So first is set your daily budget. So how much is your acceptable budget that you want to spend per day per ad set? So for example, if my budget is $50 per day, then I set this daily budget for one ad, okay? So $9 per ad set. And I am running 5 ad set currently. Meaning, I need to let this ad set spend at least $35 for me to analyze all my data here. So if after spending $35 and I don't generate an OFI, order form impressions or sale, then I'll gonna kill it. So what are the things that I want to check here? So if my daily budget is $9, and this one I started running this today, okay? So let me see here. Start date is August 7. Okay, I don't put an end date. So today is August, let's just put here August 7. Okay, so I'll just update this. So if this one is my daily budget, and so far this one is only running one day. So this ad set spent $11, $9, $11, $8, and $7, right? So I will not panic here. I will wait until each ad set will spend at least $35. Okay? I will monitor my cost per click. Ideally, my cost per click is below $1. So for example, this ad set 8, this is my cost per click, 0.40. This is okay for me. This is okay for me. This one is above $1. This one is okay. This one is above $1. But I will just let it run and I will not kill this, even though these two are above $1, because today is just like one day running, right? So I will just let it spend at least $35 to react on this. Okay, after $35 spent, and if this CPC is above $1, that's my acceptable cost per click, then I will pause this ad or I'll kill this ad. And then for CTR, this is the link click through rate. What is my acceptable here is at least 7%. Okay, meaning your creative is working here if you've got a click-through rate, a high click-through rate. But if it is 7%, that's okay. All right. And then my CTR all normally is higher than click-through rate. So you will see here, if my click-through rate here is 22, this one is 36. This is above my rule. My rule here is at least 14% and above, okay? But this one is very high, so meaning my creative is working, stopping the scroll on Facebook. And for here, I don't monitor this anymore. The most important for me is the purchase. Now, for the purchase, since Facebook is not really good in monitoring purchase, so I just make sure that I have my Click Magic. This is what I use for tracking sales, because it is important if I know what made me a sale. So for example, my ad set number 8 made me one sale here. So I will just go and look here. If you will see here, ad set 8. So here, okay, I have no sale. You will see there's no sale. There's no purchase recorded here, but I've got sale. So I will see here this ad set for this day, August 7, my spending is $7 and my cost per click is 40 cents. But this ad set, I ran this for 7 days. This one started on, I think, on August 2. So you will see here ad set number 8. This is my total spending, $55. Since this one got a sale, but it was not recorded here, my revenue here is $135. This is my profit. I already spent $55, right? So since I've got a sale, so meaning profit is $135, this is still a profit for this ad set only, okay? But in total campaign, I am still at loss. So you will see here, I will let it run until $75 and see if I will get another sale for this. So if I got another sale, you must know your average order value. If let's say my average order value here is $135, then I will be willing to spend up to $90. Your average order value, you divide it by 1.5, and that's the amount of money that you are willing to spend to get another sale. And how you can calculate your landing page CTR. So landing page CTR, meaning the number of hops. So this is the reason why I also use my tracking software to monitor my hops here. So for example, this is my hops for this ad set 8. I've got 34 action. Okay, so let me just pull out my calculator here. So for example, this one is the hops. So 34 divided by unique clicks. The action, meaning this is the hops, divided by unique clicks. So the unique clicks here is this. Ad set 8. Let's go for ad set 8. 74. Okay, so let's see here, divided by 74. So my landing page CTR is 45%. So my acceptable landing page CTR is at least minimum of 40%. So since this is 45%, so this is okay. This is how you should monitor your Facebook ad campaign. So you must monitor each ad set, see their total amount spent, check their CPC if below $1, CTR click-through rate at least 7%, the CTR all at least 14%, and the landing page CTR, this one is, you should manually calculate this landing page CTR because Facebook doesn't calculate that for you. So how to calculate it? make sure that you have your tracking software. So in my case, I am using Clickmagic. All right. So the action, this is the hops divided by your unique clicks. So your unique click, be set this on your column. You can just create your column here. Okay. You can just click this column and create your custom column. So this is the most important: amount spent, unique clicks, CPC, CTR, CTR all, and the purchase. But purchase, Facebook is not good in tracking purchase. All right, that's why you need to use your tracking software. So that's all for now. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, promoting Clickbank product using Facebook ads, I have this course in Udemy called Affiliate Marketing Clickbank Success Guide. Here, you will learn all the preparation and what you will need to run a Facebook campaign. So you can check my free sneak peek. And I also included here tracking affiliate sales with Clickmagic. I have provided here the step-by-step on how to set up sales tracking using Clickmagic. So when you start running your Facebook ad campaign, you can track your sale effectively. Otherwise, Facebook is notorious on monitoring the sales from your ad set. And if you enroll today, you can just apply this discount coupon and enter it here and click apply. So that's all for now. So I hope this helped. So before pausing your ad campaign out of frustration, track your data. It might be one small tweak away from working. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my Clickbank affiliate marketing videos. Clickbank Made Easy will give you the key to generate passive income online so you can travel and spend quality time with your family.